Welcome back to lesson 7 of our series on differentiation. Last time we stopped at a more general function that we can use to find the derivative of a function or the gradient of a function. For that specific video, we said that if I have a function y is equal to x power n, the derivative of this function, the y, the x, is going to become we multiply by the power n, then we write the function, and then we reduce the power by 1. Okay, so we said that if I have that function, this is what I will have. So for today we are going to look just at examples on how we do that. First of all, we are going to start with x power n. We shall also look at x squared, we shall look at x power 3, and also we shall have to look at x power a half. You can mention them. There are many functions that we can use. So if this is the function, okay, let's start with a. I have a function a. Let's let our a to be y as x squared. Okay, we said that the derivative of this function, the y, the x, is multiply the power. Okay, multiply by the power, so it becomes 2x, reduce the power by 1. If I reduce the power by 1, it's going to become 2 minus 1. So the y, the x of that function is 2x. Remember, we got such a function somewhere. Okay, remember in our first lessons we mentioned that we differentiated x squared from first principles and we got 2x. Okay, then let's look at part b. Part b, we are saying that y is going to be x power 3. Okay, x power 3. If I'm to differentiate the y, the x is going to become, we multiply by the power 3 times x. Okay, reduce the power by 1, 3 minus 1, so it becomes 3x squared. Okay, so that is the gradient function of that. Is it clear for everyone? Hope all of you are following very well. So part C, we are seeing that part C, we are having y as x power half. X power half, don't get off when it is x, root of x, it is like x power half. Anyway, root means a half, our power. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Hope it's clear. Okay, then if I'm to differentiate this, the y, the x, is going to become x power half. So I first of all multiply by the power. In this case, the power is a half. Clear? So after multiplying by the power, I write this function power half, then I reduce this power by 1. Okay. Let me write it here. Okay, so if I'm to do that, I'm going to have the y, the x, is equal to, what is a half minus 1? That's negative a half. This is a half, x power negative a half. But if we are to apply indices, x power negative a half can go down. Clear? And it becomes a positive when it comes down. So the y, the x, is going to become 1 over 2 x power half. So this one can also become the y, the x, as 1 over 2 root of x. As simple as that. So for today's video, we are not going to talk much, but basically that's how we can apply our gradient function to find the derivative of any function. Please watch the previous videos if you have not yet understood where we are getting this formula for differentiation. Please make sure that you understand it very well, such that we can continue. I want you to catch up every step. I want you to be there. Okay, we are going to introduce in more formulas that we can use to differentiate functions. We are going to look at functions of different types. Please make sure that you follow these videos from the start to make sure that you are with us in this series of differentiation. Thank you very much. I love you. Catch up later.